Before this video begins, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Hello and welcome. Today we are inside of a 2018 BMW M4 competition package, and this is a convertible as you can see. And let's get some specs about this car. I would like to thank Priority Premium, located in Newport, Rhode Island, for allowing me to review this vehicle. Their link is down in the description below. Okay, so this 2018 M4 is finished in azurite black metallic. This is once again a convertible and is rear-wheel drive. It comes in weighing about 5,000 pounds and stickers for about $70,000, and it currently has about 23,000 miles on it. This is powered by a 3-liter twin-turbo straight-six engine, producing 425 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. This is mated with a 7-speed DCT automatic, achieving 17 miles per gallon city, 25 on the highway, and about 20 combined. Alrighty, let's put it in M2 mode, put it into drive, right there, and let's see. That's not even pushing it very hard, but it sounds amazing, as you could hear with that beautiful pop. I'll just spin around here. Okay. Because I don't really want to spin the tires. I'd like to, but not my car, so no.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Alrighty, that'll just about do it for this POV drive of a 2018 BMW M4 competition. This was just a short drive, more of an ASMR drive to hear the engine sound and just see how it performs in general. Alrighty, thanks for watching and take care.